This question is to solve a transcendental equation that mixes exponential and algebraic terms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Thank you so much. Solve for x in the equation. 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 times x equals 9. First step, we isolate the exponential term. Move the algebraic part to the right side so that we have 3 raised to the power of x equals 9 minus 2 times x. Remember, when working with exponential equations, always isolate the exponential expression first. Otherwise, you cannot form the Lambert W structure later. Next step, normalize by dividing through. Now divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of x. This gives the quantity 9 minus 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the negative x equals 1. This prepares the expression as a product of a linear factor and an exponential term. Then, next step, adjust the exponent to match the factor. We want to form something that looks like a times e raised to the power of it equals some constant. To align the linear factor with its exponent, multiply both sides by 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. This gives the quantity 9 minus 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of negative x plus 9 over 2 equals 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Next step, convert to base c. Since the Lambert W function is defined using the natural exponential base e, we now rewrite 3 as e raised to the natural logarithm of 3. Substituting this in gives the quantity 9 minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the product of the natural logarithm of 3 and the quantity negative x plus 9 over 2 equals 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Next step, create a perfect times e to the a structure. Multiply both sides by 2 times the natural logarithm of 3. Now the left-hand side becomes 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 2x, multiplied again by e raised to the power of 1/2 times 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times the quantity 9 minus 2x. The right-hand side becomes 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. At this stage, the left side perfectly matches the required pattern of times e to the a, where a is defined as the natural logarithm of 3 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 2x. Next step, apply the Lambert W function. By definition of the Lambert W function, if a times e to the a equals some constant, then a equals w of that constant. Therefore, the natural logarithm of 3 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 2x equals the Lambert W of the quantity 2 times the natural logarithm of 3 times 3 raised to the 9 over 2 power. Then, next step, solve for x. Divide both sides by the natural logarithm of 3 to get 9 minus 2x equals the Lambert W of that same argument, divided by the natural logarithm of 3.